if you could leave our viewers with one key message about sustaining compassion while also caring for themselves, what would it be?
I would say that, uh, di ba the instinct when you're depleted, especially if it's compassion fatigue and the source there is emotional and relational. So the instinct usually is to pull away from people altogether, to isolate, be by yourself. But the answer usually isn't less connection, but more honest connection. So just like what we talked about, honest connection with yourself. So staying attuned to your own limits is really part of staying genuinely present for others. So real compassion is not endless sacrifice, not endless self-sacrifice, or not martyrdom. So that's really a narrow idea of what caring for someone means. So actual compassion, especially sustainable compassion, requires you to stay whole enough to keep offering it. So the most caring thing you can do, I would say, over time, especially, is to take care of yourself. So it's a prerequisite talaga to caring for others. Taking care of yourself.